Hubert Senters here. I'm filling in for Mindy while she is doing her book proposal. I'm going to walk you through a 3-part series of videos, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, part 1, part 2, and part 3, why you might want to trade gold. How gold works is for every point it goes up or down, it's worth $100 of movement. Case in point, today it moved $77.40. Times 100, so you could have made about $7,700 today if you got the dead low and the dead high today. Now, if you're a day trader, heads up, you ain't going to be able to do that because you're not going to be in it the whole time, right? But if you're a swing trader, you can hold for multiple days. You can definitely get that and then some, right? But I'm going to talk you through how to approach this from a technical analysis standpoint. Here's a case in point. If I'm day trading this in this example here, gold moved 77 points, and I was only able to get about 23 of those points, okay? So $2,340 on a 1 lot. Now, if you were trading 10 lots, that'd be $2,340 times 10. So that's why this is so powerful. We go back over here to the chart. If I'm looking at this, I'm going, okay, where would I want to get long in this move? This is a daily chart. I like using ambush trades. So what we'll do in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an ambush and what points to draw off of, okay? So in this case right here, and it'll look like magic when you see it. I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to go from this low to that high. Ooh, look at there. That's almost perfect. Not quite. Let's see if we can bump it up just a little bit more right there. That would be perfect. So what I'm looking for when we're going to go through this session is a low, a high, and then a 50% retracement. And then as it goes into that, I want to let it come back out and then get long, okay? And then we're gonna look at this ambush, and then we're also gonna look at this ambush in part 2 and part 3. I'm gonna hyperlink you to a webinar that Mindy is doing this Thursday. Here is the title and what she's gonna be covering. There'll be a link somewhere below this video or above it. Just put in your email address and hit register, and you'll be good to go. Good luck. Hope it helps. I'll see you tomorrow on part 2.